Right guys, welcome back to another one of my walk around videos of yet another rs500 for sale. Here we have a black car, quite a well-known car. Has been nut and bolt restored by a previous owner 3 or 4 years ago and not used since. It's taken to a bare shell, painted underneath, outside, inside, everywhere, as the video and pictures on my website will show. I suggest if you're interested you go on my website and have a look, because there's quite a few underside pictures on there that show all the underside painted in dove grey with the black overspray, all the suspension components blasted, powder coated, blah blah blah, everything done to a high standard. I'll quickly try and show you now, just as a little sneak preview. There you are, you can see the level to which the car's been restored to. Not concourse by any stretch of the imagination, just a very nice usable car. We'll go in the boot. There is one thing on the bodywork needs attention. It's cracked round there. That's it. That's the only thing I can find on the bodywork that needs doing. You can see there, nice and clean. Got the famous, excuse me while I try and grab this, because I'll have to hold it with my head while I prop that up. Look at that, comes free with it. Look at that. As you can see, lovely condition in here. I'll try one-handed to show you the inside the boot. You can see fifth wheel there, refurbished at the same time as all the others, so that's mint. Boot floor, etc., all solid and nice. As I say, not done to a concourse standard by any imagination, but nicely done. Nice car you can be proud to drive around in. So that's inside the boot. All genuine spoilers, bumpers, splitters, everything's genuine 500 as it should be, as you'd expect. Interior, nice door cards, uncracked dash, as we all know. Very rare on a 500 or any CO to find an uncracked dash. That is original radio cassette, which works. Electric aerial works as well. Had the headlining done at the time of the restoration, so that's good. Seats are probably some of the best I've seen in a long time. The seats are absolutely mint and really nice and firm. They've been restored, they've had new pads put in, but they are super soft, solid and comfy. Real nice seats. That always looks better when it's knocked in. Now the car does show 17,000 miles. There is a service history book with full history up to 17,000, but I'm not selling this car as a genuine 17,000 mile. I think it's obviously done more, but how many miles I cannot guarantee it. But as I said, there is a service history book showing up to 17,000 mile, of which the last invoice was for Graham Good Racing. They serviced it, put a brand new turbo on it, a new exhaust system front to back. I think that bill was just under 1,500 quid, something like that. But again, I think you can see that again, it's certainly not concourse, but has been restored to a nice standard. A nice usable car. Proud to pull it up at any classic car show and lift the bonnet on this one, definitely. Everything's correct, the correct alloy box, etc. All the expensive parts are correct. There we are. If you're interested in this car, please get in touch. I will tell you the story about the car and anything you want to ask. I'll try and answer every question honestly and genuinely. But please check the website. I think you'll be amazed at the price of this car. Very reasonably priced. Thanks for watching. Please get in touch.